How to make a free playlist on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there is an application called YouTube Music which is available in Play Store. You just have to install it. In some devices this is a built-in application, in some it's not. So simply open the application YouTube Music. This app allows you to listen to your favorite musics and podcast for free. So simply launch the app. You can also get the premium version for better experience. Go to library, then go to playlist. After that, click on the plus icon. Then give it a title. Then from here you can add a song just like this. Simply go to add to playlist and done. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.